Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce Rondvaart, or in English, boat tour. This is the way we say Rondvaart. Rondvaart. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable. Rondvaart. Rond-vaart. Rondvaart. You do not really need to roll those R's. If you can't, that's not a problem. Without rolling your R's, it will sound like this. Rondvaart. Rondvaart. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!